Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I created that look that you see in the picture, so if you want to see it, keep watching. I started to prep my face with Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. I literally use it every day in my skincare routine. I love it so much. I have really dry skin sometimes, so when I use this every day, you can really tell it hydrates my skin really well. Next, I'll be taking my Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit, and I was FaceTiming my friend when I was making this video, so sorry for the interruptions, but I use this to fill in my eyebrows every day. I do like it. It's a nice color. I have the shade 3, so because I have blonder hair, but I don't want to go too dark and I don't want to go too light, so it's a perfect tone, and I just fill it in because I'm not that great with eyebrows. Next, I'll be taking my foundation primer by Laura Mercier. It's very hydrating. Again, I need hydrating serums for my face because my face gets really dry. So I put this on before I'll do my foundation, and it really sets my foundation even before, and it's just really nice coverage, and it keeps my foundation on throughout the whole night. So next I'll be taking my L'Oreal Anti-Redness Primer. I put this on my beauty blender, and I have a lot of dark marks, or dark red marks, as you can see on my face, so I really like to cover those up before I put foundation. It just really helps the foundation so I don't have to use so much of the liquid Tarte foundation. So next I'll be taking my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation in tone Fair Light Neutral. And I really like this foundation. It's very watery and it's very thin, but it's also good coverage. It does a little bit of both. I don't really like thick on my face because then I break out more. So this is, if you're looking for a more hydrating boost, then this is a perfect foundation for you. So next I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Light Nude. I'm putting this under my eyes because sometimes I get dark circles. I put it on the bridge of my nose, and I also just cover up just a little bit more of the dark circles that still shine through the foundation and the anti-redness primer. So I have the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder that I use to set under my eyes and over my eyelids. I also use it to set just a little bit of my nose so my nose doesn't get oily, and under my eyes they do not crease. So I'm contouring my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick in the shade Mink. It's a little bit more bronzier than a natural contour stick, which is has more shade in it. I do not like the shade as much as I like the brown bronze color, just because I just don't, when I blend it out, you can kind of see, because this is a mix of both, that it just doesn't look as well as someone else would contour their face, and I don't know if that's because of my skin color. I'm just not sure. So I do like the little bit more bronzy tone rather than a darker shade tone. So just to get more bronzy with it, sorry for my dancing. My friend, I think, was playing throwback song, so I'm sorry for that. Oh my god, this is rough. Anyways, I took my Smashbox contour and highlight kit, and I just made, sorry, I cannot focus because my dancing. Oh my god. I'm sorry, everyone. Okay, moving on. That's my Tarte blush that I'm just using just to go over my cheekbones just a little bit, give them a nice little color, and I'm still kind of dancing. So after that, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35R palette, and I'm just getting a little brown on my eyelids, just a little bit. I'm not doing a full eyeshadow look tonight. I'm just getting it ready for my eyeliner because I don't want my eyeliner just to be blank. So I finished my eye look with my eyeliner. Now I'm just going in with my pink nude. It's like a little Tarte mini lip liner. So just putting that on my lips. And then finally I'm taking my Tarte Tarte's highlight kit, and I'm just highlighting the top of my cheekbones. And I just love that highlight. It just pops. And then finally do my nose, and then I'll just do some mascara after that. Thanks so much for watching.